What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to access the new ChatGPT plugins. This is a new feature that's recently been rolled out, and I can't wait to show you how to access it. Now, this should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you need more detailed information, don't forget to click the first link in the description below. The first thing you want to make sure of while using ChatGPT is that you're logged in with the correct account. At this time, only ChatGPT Plus subscribers will be able to make use of these fancy ChatGPT plugins. If you're not a subscriber yet, maybe now's the time to consider it. Once you've confirmed you're logged in, you're going to want to click your email address or username on the bottom left of the window. Clicking this will open a menu of options. From there, you're going to want to access your settings. In the settings, look for the beta features section. Within the beta features section, you'll find an option to enable plugins. Tick that box. And voila! Now, when you're creating a new chat, you'll see the option to enable plugins at the top of the window. At first, you might notice that no plugins are enabled to begin with, but don't fret. This is your chance to customize your ChatGPT experience. Here's where the fun begins. Head on over to the plugin store, where you can install a plethora of plugins. Whether you're into the popular ones or looking to explore the new ones, or even searching for specific plugins. After the installation, you can proceed to chat with ChatGPT, and it will make use of the plugins you've chosen. It's like having a tailor-made AI assistant. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.